Okay, so I'm now here at the Grass Valley booth with Ronnie Van Giel, who is the Director of Product Marketing for Grass Valley. Ronnie, today we've been discussing interoperability a lot. Could you tell us a little bit about the challenges that your customers experience integrating Grass Valley with some other technologies?
Absolutely, thank you, Matthew. So with AmpOS, people really can make a big jump in the efficiency and the way they operate, which is absolutely necessary in today's economy where loyalty is low and there are so many different things to tackle. So AmpOS provides great solutions for those, which each individually add to the efficiency of the operations. The only thing is no customer can really start a new greenfield. So that means you need to implement these elements step by step. So one of the big challenges we see is that if you want to add only one of those elements initially, you need to build a bridge. Now, of course, we have bridges for those signals. At the same time, you don't want to disconnect from the users. They need to feel that they're in control under all conditions. So one of the challenges we see that hopefully and also luckily enough you are solving as one of our valued partners is building the bridge so the operators feel at home and under control no matter what they do. So you need control integrations that keep them in control, that really tell them what is going on, and if they press a button that they know what's going to happen, to make sure there's a bridge between wherever they are today and the solution they are adding. And then step by step they can migrate to a more and more efficient, more flexible operation than ever.
And in terms of how the roadmap looks going forward and making those challenges easier, as you say, so do you really feel that it's about people understanding the integration of those different technologies as they move more into the cloud with a platform like AMP, and actually you yourselves also being more open and flexible to your offering to them to enable those different solutions?
Absolutely. So it's across the board, and it also opens up many new applications. So for instance, things like AMP, of course, can be very easily used in also different applications like AV, like professional businesses, because it can just shape shift into whatever it needs to do. The only thing is you need to know for sure that it is doing what you expect it to do and understand where it is. So taking the operators on the journey with this transition, I think, is one of the major things to solve. We have solutions in both hardware and the virtualized ones. And what customers can do is for their specific solution, just pick one of the two. So if it is 24/7 operation, in most of the cases, the hardware solution is the best fit. If it is elasticity, if it is all the flexibility they need, in that case, they can just spin up and spin down those AmpOS-based virtualized solutions. And that flexibility to keep that whole thing working and really together for an operator's perspective, that's really crucial.
So you mentioned there as well the crossover into AV customers. Could you maybe speak a little bit more about how Grass Valley are bridging into that world from broadcast?
Great question. So yes, so if you look at global, what people really appreciate, it is video quality. So there is no differentiation between lower end video and higher end. It's all at the same really epic level today. The cool thing is that, again, the solutions like AmpOS, you can have those really pristine tools deployed dynamically. So you can spin them up if you need it, you can spin them down if you don't need it. So it's an excellent fit for instance, all the productions that are taking place inside companies or more ad hoc. And the other cool thing is it's also more green, because if you spin it down, there's no power consumption whatsoever. People don't need to travel. So all over the place, there are many opportunities for all the solutions that we have developed and are continuing to develop to really be deployed across the board or wherever video is needed.
Great. Thank you very much, Ronnie.
Matthew, thank you.